Thank you for being here. Today, I'd like to show you a receiver circuit that I tested over several weekends. Let's start with the first stage. The signal coming from the antenna is coupled through a 10-turn coil placed close to the tuning coil. A tap on this coil feeds the base of the transistor. The transistor is a BC549. As you can see, I injected the signal from my local oscillator into the emitter of the transistor through a capacitor. The local oscillator is a modified Pixie circuit, where I replaced the crystal with an LC tank circuit. Its stability won't be as good as a crystal oscillator, so I recommend enclosing the entire oscillator circuit to protect it from external temperature variations, which can affect its stability. I chose to keep the resonant frequency of the oscillator tank circuit above the resonant frequency of the tuning tank. This way, when the two signals are mixed, their difference is always 1.11 MHz. That is my intermediate frequency. Of course, you can use any intermediate frequency you prefer. A common commercial value is 455 kHz. I recommend choosing a value below 2 MHz because regenerative receivers usually perform better at lower frequencies. So, this section is common to all super-heterodyne receivers, a local oscillator and a mixer. Next, I take the intermediate frequency signal from the collector of the first transistor through a 2-turn coupling, loop wound next to the regenerative receiver coil. This is what makes this receiver different. Unlike conventional super-heterodyne receivers, which usually have 3 intermediate frequency amplifier stages, I simply used a single transistor with positive feedback. I believe that almost any type of regenerative receiver could be used here. It only needs to be tuned precisely to the intermediate frequency you choose. If you'd like more detailed information, thank you for watching.
Buiding entendre 13e de l'année qui va toucher terre au chevet de distribuer le front sur un voile. La ville de Buiding, dans la province de Buiding, a déclaré le centre météorologique national. Très bon soudé.